Hi friends, welcome to Sai For You-Basic Electronics YouTube channel. So I will be uploading video lectures for one of the subject in VTU syllabus, that is Basic Electronics and Communication Engineering. So this is the first video. In this video I am going to give a brief introduction about the overview of this subject, what we are going to learn in the entire course. Okay. So Vishweshwaraya Technological University, Karnataka state. The students who are studying the engineering colleges affiliated to VTU and VTU autonomous institutions. So these students will get more benefited from this YouTube channel. Okay, because I will be uploading syllabus contents as per this VTU syllabus. So this syllabus studied by the first year engineering students in chemistry cycle. Okay, if the students studied in first semester, it will be 21ELE14. If the students studied the same subject in the second semester, it will be 21ELE24. So let me start. What are the brief contents and important topics we are going to learn in this particular subject? So before going to overview, I want to tell about difficulties in this subject. See, the only difficulty of this subject is the syllabus. They have made it having lot of topics. Okay, lot of topics you have to study. Almost in the entire syllabus, 150 topics are there. Okay, but in exam they are going to ask 30 questions, including all 10 questions, including choice. In module 1, 2 questions will be there, question number 1 or question number 2. Assuming first question will have 3 sub questions, like that all the questions, if they give 3 sub questions, means in one module they can ask maximum 6 sub questions. Okay, including question number 1 and question number 2, altogether they can make 6 questions under one module. Like that 5 modules, 30 questions would be there. Out of 150 topics, only 30 topics will be there. So students cannot predict what are those 30 topics will come for exam. Majority of the students, they are going to study, they themselves imagine the paper for them. Okay, so if the paper come like that, they will be happy. Okay, we cannot predict exact which 30 topics they are going to ask from out of the 150 topics. That is one difficulty. Means you have lot of topics study in this subject. Okay, like that the syllabus is designed. And second difficulty is each and every topic in the syllabus, diagram will be there or waveforms will be there. Got it? And little bit simplified or simple formulas will be there. In some modules we are going to derive the formulas. Okay, some modules little bit derivations there. See, that is one difficulty. Is it possible to remember all 150 topics, circuit diagrams, waveforms, everything by hearting without knowing the concept? Okay, majority of the students try to by heart it. So they will write in exam some other diagrams. Okay, if they ask one question, if they ask bridge rectifier, means they are going to write full wave rectifier in the exam. Okay, overall working is same, but slight difference are there. Like that, the students are going to lose marks in university examination. So that is one difficulty. So therefore, I will be doing videos. You watch my video lectures, you can clearly understand how to write the diagrams. Okay, in a easiest manner, and I will explain the concept in a simple and lucid language so that you can easily write your own explanation, write your own understanding regarding that particular topic in university examination. So let's start with what are the topics included in each and every module. Friends, let's start with the first module 1. What and all we are going to learn under module 1. Module 1 concentrates on electronic circuits. Okay, to design any electronic circuit, in that circuit, these following components will be there. Following components, we need a power supply component, and we need an amplifiers, operation amplifiers and oscillators. So in power supplies, we are going to learn about rectifier circuits, full wave rectifiers, bridge rectifiers, bistable rectifier, okay, and then voltage regulators, voltage multipliers. All these things we are going to learn under power supply topic. Then amplifiers. What are the types of amplifiers? What is the function of amplifier? See, generally amplifier will going to strengthen the weak signal. Okay, strengthening the weak signal, that is the basic definition of amplifier. So what are the types of amplifiers we have? On amplifier works on negative feedback concept, and then multi-stage amplifiers, and later frequency and bandwidth. All these concepts we are going to learn under amplifier topics. Then coming to operation amplifiers, here we are going to learn the operation amplifier configurations, parameters, and then characteristics, and also operation amplifier circuits. Operation amplifier circuit is very important. So we are going to learn integrated circuit, differentiator, What is integration? Mathematical operation. And addition, summing amplifiers, subtractor, okay, voltage follower. So several types of circuits are there. We are going to learn all those circuits under this topic. Next is oscillators. Oscillator works on positive feedback concept. And what is the condition for oscillations? Ladder oscillator, wind bridge oscillators, crystal oscillators, astable oscillators. Several types of oscillator circuits we are going to learn in detail. Okay. See, in first module, or from all these 4 topics, there will be 35 subtopics are there. In that 35 subtopics, university will ask 6 topics under module 1 in the main exam. What are those 6 topics? What are the topics you need to concentrate? That I will be telling in the upcoming videos. So 35 topics, every topic has diagram. Okay. Plus, they were going to ask numericals in 3 topics. They will ask numericals on voltage regulators, numericals on operational amplifiers, and numericals on oscillators. These are the topics we are going to learn in detail to crack 20 out of 20 in that particular module. So let's move on to second module. In second module, electronic circuits can be designed by using logic circuits like that. So second module deals with completely digital electronics. Okay. So logic circuits, we are going to learn here bistable flip-flops. Flip-flops are bistable, both are same. RS flip-flop and then D flip-flop, JK flip-flops, and logic gates. We are going to learn all this. Full adder, OR adder. Okay, realization of truth table of full adder and OR adder. We are going to learn in detail. Then microcontroller systems basics. We are going to learn data representation types. Okay, there will be numericals on data representation types. Very important. Then we are learning multiplexer concepts, decoder concepts, and then shift registers. Here we are going to learn types of registers, each register operation and truth table. Okay, and later we are learning about counters and asynchronous counters. What are its applications? Where we are using all this? Okay, all this logic circuits we are going to use for certain application. How it operates, we are going to understand in a easiest way. So this is about module 2. So in module 2, there will be 20 subtopics are there. 20 subtopics are there. Each and every topic diagrams are there. No numericals in module 2. No numericals. They will ask numericals only in data representation types. In this topic, there will be numerical. Okay. Next, move on to module 3. In module 3, again, four topics are there. Major topics. Embedded system concepts we are going to learn. Types of embedded system, elements of embedded system, core of embedded system, and then microcontroller system, and architectures, RISC, CISC, okay, Harvard versus one Neumann architecture. So comparison between microprocessor and microcontroller. All these things we are going to learn under this topics. Okay, and here also a lot of diagrams are there. And coming to next topic in module 3 is sensors and interfacing. Here we are going to learn basics of sensors and transducers. Okay, very simple topic. Then we are going to learn about actuators, LED displays, 7-segment LED display, stepper motors, and then piezo buzzer, like that. Several keyboard concepts, everything we are going to learn under actuator topics. Then communication interference, like USB cable, okay, Wi-Fi, GPRS, okay, and then UART. So all these things we are going to learn under module 3. See, no numericals in module 3, no numericals. So again, there will be around 28 topics. Okay, these are the major topics. Subtopics are 28 subtopics are there. Sorry, almost all the topics will have diagrams. Okay, around 20 topics will have diagrams out of 28. And next, coming to module 4. Module 4 deals with communication, completely communication concepts. So we are going to learn in the first part analog and digital communication modulation schemes. Okay, communication model communication schemes. What are the medium of communication? Whether it is hardwired or softwired. Okay, medium, channel. All these things we are going to learn in detail. Then coming to next part is types of modulation. 2 types of modulations are there: analog modulation and digital modulation. In analog modulation, several types. In digital modulation, several types. For example, in analog modulation, frequency modulation, amplitude modulation, phase modulation, pulse width modulation. Okay, like that. Several types are there. We are going to learn in detail. And in digital modulation, amplitude shift keying, frequency shift keying, phase shift keying, like that several types are there. We are going to learn that all the modulations in detail. Pakka one question will be there for 10 to 15 marks on modulation, 100%. Later we are moving to types of antennas. Okay, antennas only basic concepts, model diagrams only, models, antenna models. Okay, excluding radiation patterns. There will be no studying regarding the radiation patterns. Next is multiple access techniques. Here we are going to learn multipath and fading, how to manage the error. All some miscellaneous topics are there related to communication. We are going to learn under this topics. Okay. Next, see in module 4, lot of topics are there. Around 40 subtopics are there. 40 subtopics. So in that 40 subtopics, only 6 topics will come for university examination. What are those 6 topics? So some two topics on modulation. Okay, 2 topics on multiple access techniques and 2 topics on analog and digital communication. Like that we can predict. But each and every topic there are several subtopics. So we need to study in detail, and whatever we study, it should be in your mind. Then only you can perform in perform better in university examination. So you cannot buy all the topics. Okay, watch my lectures. You can understand much better, so that you can easily write your own explanation. Okay, related to that particular topic in an effective way, so that evaluator can easily understand. Okay, so next move on to module 5. Again in module 5 deals with communication related only. So like cellular wireless networks, cellular telephone mechanism, how it operates, all these things we are going to learn. And wireless network topologies, so like 1G network, 2G network, 3G, 4G. Recently our Prime Minister Modi sir has inaugurated 5G network at the Indian Institute of Science recently. So, but in your syllabus up to 4G is there. We are going to learn all those wireless network topologies. Okay, Bluetooth architecture and all we are going to learn in detail. Next is satellite communication. Satellite communications, types of satellite communications we are going to learn. Not in detail, only types, diagram, explanation. That's it. Okay, like we have satellites named GEO, geo satellite, GEO, LEO, and MEO. Satellites are there in your syllabus. They specified. We can concentrate that types of satellites in detail later. Okay. Next is OFC, optical fiber communication. A complete basic about OFC. That's it. Next is microwave communication. So there we are going to study frequency modulated microwave communication. Only that topic is specified. So in module 5, there are subtopics of 30. 30 subtopics are there. Major topics are 5. In that 30 altogether 30 subtopics are there. So by adding all these 35 topics, 20 topics, 28 subtopics, 40 and 30, almost it comes under 150 topics. In main exam, only 30 topics they are going to ask. Okay. See, in all the entire syllabus, module 3 no numerical, module 4 no numericals, module 5 no numericals, module 2 numerical on data representation types, module 1 numericals on voltage regulators that we are studying in power supply concept, voltage regulator, operational amplifier and oscillator circuits. So dear students, so please support my channel, tell your friends to subscribe our channel, share this video to all your friends. We have found a new channel for the particular subject, so that students can subscribe and they can keep supporting me. So keep supporting. I will be uploading regular video lectures. So in the next video, I am going to start the module 1 in the power supply first topic. Okay, got it? Like that, I will be doing video lectures in a sequence. Got it? So textbook details and all, everything I will be, because each and every module, totally 4 textbooks you have to refer. Need not to refer those many books. Okay, but I don't avoid studying more textbooks from the student side. It is a good habit only. So to gain more knowledge, obviously I have to study textbooks. There is no other way. Got it? So time is very less. Since you are students, you have to study 4 to 5 subjects in an entire 3 months. Okay, internals will be there every month by month. So according to that, referring textbooks is become cumbersome. Okay, so I will be studying prescribed textbooks. By referring prescribed textbooks, in what manner if I explain, students can understand easily. That is my job. Okay. Okay, your job is only watch the lecture, note down the important points in a notebook, so then you can face exam in a confident manner. So textbook details and all I will be telling in the when I am going to start each and every module. Okay, for this module, what are the textbooks, page numbers, everything I will tell. Okay, and I am going to share materials of whatever the topics I am going to refer, which textbooks I am refer for particular topic, all the materials I am going to share. Got it? So I will be creating a WhatsApp group for this particular channel. So students can join to the channel, join to the WhatsApp group, so that they can interact with me. I will be providing solutions, whatever the students going to ask to me. Got it? So please like this video and share this video to all your friends. Make them to subscribe to this channel so that they can get lectures at free of cost. Okay, to your doorstep. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Meet you on next lecture starting of module 1.